In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to a Weebly store inventory. If you're a business owner looking to expand your online presence, knowing how to update your store inventory is essential. Let's break down the process so you can do it easily and effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Here, you'll need to visit the official Weebly website so that you can access your store's backend. Once you arrive on the site, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so have those handy. After you've successfully signed into your account, you'll be directed to the Weebly dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for everything related to your website. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but don't worry, we're focusing on just a few today. In the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Items section, which you can find on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Items will bring up a list of options, and here you should select Site Items. This section is specifically for managing the products you offer on your store. Next, you'll be asked to specify what type of product you want to add. Weebly supports various product types, such as physical goods, digital downloads, or service offerings. Make your selection based on what you're selling. If you're unsure, remember that physical products are anything that requires shipping, while digital products are downloadable items like ebooks or music files. Once you've selected the type of product, it's time to enter the item details. This step is crucial, as it includes important information that your customers need. Start with the product name and make sure it's clear and descriptive. Then, upload an appealing photo that accurately represents your product. Don't underestimate the power of a good image. It can significantly influence a customer's decision to buy. You'll also need to fill out a description that highlights the features and benefits of your item, and ensure to input any remaining stock or inventory numbers. After you've filled in all the necessary product details, you're almost done. The final step is to click Save. By doing so, you'll ensure that your new product is successfully added to your inventory and available for purchase on your site. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've added a new item to your Weebly store. This skill is integral to keeping your inventory up to date and ensuring your customers have access to your latest offerings. Be sure to periodically revisit your site and update your inventory as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!